My best hope in redistricting is that we can take public input and then come up with a map that's going to serve South Dakota well for the next 10 years.
Call the roll.
Representative Schwab, Dennert,
Here.
Derby,
Here.
Hanson, May.
We have heard over and over again is concern about the accuracy of the data, especially as it applies on the reservations. And there's nothing that we can do about that because our state constitution requires us to use the census data.
Mr. Chair, you have a quorum.
Thank you. First off, I'd like to welcome the committee to the homeland, to the Rosebud Sioux Tribe, the Sichanga Lakota.
COVID created a perfect storm as it pertains to the census. I've maintained all along that we know that there are more people that live, on our reservation lands, and I will maintain that we should respect that and honor that, and take our chances in the court. I think reservation communities have a very legitimate argument as to why their district should remain the same, and I would support those arguments.
I guess where we're at right now is taking and looking at what is going to be the best for a protected class within this state, and that would be to in no way dilute the Native vote within any of the districts in South Dakota.
I think it's really important that we care about redistricting, and then also that we care about voting, and then we start to bring more voters in. And I think we're getting there where we can show that if somebody that looks like you is sitting in a seat of representation, then you're more likely to feel included in that representation, because we all have to work together here. And South Dakota is on our land, so they need to know that we have ideas and we have ways to move us forward, especially in this fast changing, not only in the environment, but in our economy.